Hi and assalamu alaikum friends. This is my first travel after the corona. I mean, since last year I haven't traveled, and this is my first travel after that. A very different experience, to be honest. Traveling is not the same anymore. This is one thing I can truly say. Actually, I'm flying to Uganda, so I had a connecting flight. I'm flying through Qatar Airways, so I have a stopover, a layover in Doha. Very beautiful airport, and Qatar Airways, I think I'll give it a thumbs up because very good service, following the guidelines, and up to the mark. Now my layover was actually 13 hours, and believe me, I didn't even get to know. The reason was that because they give free Wi-Fi and also complimentary food. So if your stopover is more than 6-7 hours, you can ask for complimentary food, and it's from Qatar Airways. Good job. And they save your life, you know, like without internet, of course, you can't even spend 1 hour, one minute, I guess, nowadays. From that, I have a question. Would you mind staying on the airport for extra hours if you get the free Wi-Fi? Ticket was for about $950 from Pakistan to Uganda return, and weight allowed was 25 kg check-in, 7 kg hand carry. When you come from Lahore, you get 2 boarding pass, one for Doha and one for Uganda. The meal I had over here from McDonald's was for $18. And also wanted to thank my friends who saw that I'm in Qatar and wanted to me to be their guest. But of course, it was just a layover, so thank you. Next time, inshallah. Rest of the video I'll make in Uganda and let you know how my flight from Doha to Uganda was. And believe me, traveling is not the same anymore. The way we used to roam around without these masks, without the social distance, we were free as a bird. But now, like we're in a cage. You're free to roam around, but you're still not free. See you in the next video in Uganda. Adios.